Hey guys, welcome to another video episode of Coinsutra, and this time I have something very interesting for you. Now, in my earlier videos, I've talked about Ledger Wallet and Trezor Wallet and few other hardware wallet that you should be using to secure your crypto portfolio. Now, a hardware wallet basically helps in a lot of ways, and we'll cover that in upcoming videos. But today I have a new generation of hardware wallet from Ledger. Now, you might be familiar with this one. This is good old Ledger Nano X, and now the new one which has just came out, it's called Ledger Nano X, and it is a significant improvement over the previous generation of Ledger Nano wallet. One thing which a lot of us actually felt like with the evolution of cryptocurrencies, there is mobile wallet, then there are hardware wallet, but we want the security of hardware wallet on mobile, and this is what Ledger Nano X offers. It is Bluetooth enabled. It actually offers you mobility, so you can actually do all the transaction from your mobile, and you don't have to plug the wallet. You can actually connect using the Bluetooth, which is probably one of the things that is going to change the landscape of hardware wallet in the days to come. Another significant improvement is it supports 100 plus cryptocurrencies, and you can install them all at the same time. Now, in the earlier version, we had to uninstall certain app to use, the limited space, which is changed. And it also has a battery. It has two chip, which one chip is for the secure element, and the another one is for the operation. So if you have been using a hardware wallet, and if you are thinking to upgrade, or even if you are buying a new one, the Ledger Nano X is an ideal choice. Now, in this video, I'm showing you the unboxing of Ledger Nano X, and in the upcoming videos, I'll give you a walkthrough of how to use Ledger Nano X and how to use it. Well, without further delay, let's go ahead and let's start using Ledger Nano X. All right, so here we are. Let's just open this. And the first thing that you would get is the hardware wallet. And while holding it, it's a significant difference from the earlier version, which is quite visible. So it uses stainless steel and plastic body, and as you can see in the earlier version, the buttons used to be at the top here, but in this version, these are the buttons here, right here, and there's nothing here. You can compare the size to understand the difference between this one and the earlier version. There's a significant difference. It's also because the way it's designed to hold more cryptocurrency, and yeah, it's something like I'm actually happy to hold it. Would be nice to see a smaller version in the future, so that mobility increases, but for now there's nothing to complain about. Now let's open the box and see what all is there inside. All right, so there are three recovery sheet. This is where you will be adding the mnemonic phrase while setting up the wallet. I would show you in the upcoming videos. Then there is a getting started guide. This is something which you may or may not need if you're watching this video, but it's always handy if you're gifting it to somebody. You can just tell them, you can share this video, or you can just tell them to use this getting started guide. All right, so there are a few usage guide, and these are stickers that you can stick on your laptop or on your phone, or on your desk. Right, then there is one USB cable C type, and this is in case if you want to do a wired connection. This is how you will be connecting your Ledger Nano X with the computer. Or you can actually, it's a good idea that once you get it, just put it on charge for next half an hour or so, so that it gets charged. And then you can double press this to switch it on. I'll leave that for the upcoming videos. In that I will show you how to configure Ledger Nano X. I'll be using a mobile phone to connect, so that you'll get a complete hang of how to do it on the phone. You can actually do the same process on the mobile as well. So here you go. So in Ledger Nano X, we have one hardware wallet, one USB cable, one getting started guide, three recovery sheets, and Ledger sticker. There's one thing which I believe that you should always buy with any hardware wallet is a crypto steel. This is something which I'll be unboxing and showing you the guide in the upcoming videos. So basically, it's much better than writing down your recovery phrase in a recovery sheet. This makes it weatherproof and calamity proof, which is something that you should consider using. More on this in the upcoming videos, but for now, I hope you find this video useful, and do like and subscribe to Coinsutra for more updates, and in the future update you'll learn everything about Ledger Nano X. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.